Welcome to the very first episode of Community Spotlight, our new monthly series where we showcase some amazing dashboard submissions. And just to be clear, this isn't a ranking, just the order we are viewing them, since I believe each dashboard has different requirement and purpose. So let's kick things off with August 2025. At number 1 we have Australian Domestic Air Carrier On-Time Performance by johncolley. Built on real aviation data, it's clean and very easy to follow. Actually like how author use pagination to navigate the bar chart. On top of that, the author actually shared the data source link and PBIX file, which is really helpful if you want to explore it by yourself. Next is Project Cost and Profitability by SSrinath. This dashboard is very detailed and very practical, and it spans over 4 pages, and the author smartly designed the project cost and profitability page. Task timeline page is like any other project management tools as you used to see. Great work by SSrinath. At number 3 we have Basic Financial KPI by diegomedt. We love the minimalistic look. No clutter, just clean visuals. The focus is on big bold numbers for income, expenses, profit and other key metrics. Next up we have a beautiful dashboard by Mijan2390. The first thing that grabs your attention is the hidden gem scroller. It feels interactive and really engaging. The reader's choice section feels like you are browsing a live website. The author smartly used filters to build personalized book lists. That's really creative. Our final pick is not a usual dashboard. US Tech Layoff 2022, and honestly I completely agree with that title. The dashboard goes beyond just numbers. It adds real value with trends, industry breakdowns, company level data and detailed map view. That wraps up this month Community Spotlight. Links are in the comments, check them out, and I will see you next month with more amazing dashboard.